Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your Gmail account to open the Play Store on your Android device, especially Xiaomi devices. This method works for all devices, Android devices, not just Xiaomi. But in my case, I'm gonna work with my phone, Redmi Note 9S, which is Xiaomi device. So all you have to do right now, as you can see, I cannot open the Play Store. If I open it, it shows me you have to sign in. I have to make a Gmail account to be able to use Play Store or Google Play. What we have to do is go to Gmail app, click on Gmail, follow step one by one to make sure you set it up correctly, and then click on got it. And we don't have right now an email, so I'm gonna click on add an email address. Let's choose Google, and as you can see, we will have to write or set our pattern password. Just skip your password, and then it's gonna start check-in, and it's gonna show you this interface for signing into Gmail. We don't have an account, so we're gonna click on create account. If you have an account, just write it down here, just write the email and next and the password, and it's gonna work very well. And we don't have an email, click on create account for myself for personal use. And we're gonna write a name, let's say write my name, Ibrahim, and then next. And for the basic information, you're gonna enter your birthday and gender. Let's say you're gonna write your birthday and then your gender as well, a male. There's a lot of genders, what the hell is that? Anyway, just click on next, and in this step we're gonna create your own Gmail address. If you like this one, you can choose it, or this one. If you don't like them, just create your own Gmail address. In here you can use, or you can write any name you want, anything you want, just to make it a unique Gmail user. For example, I'm gonna write Ibrahim for just for YouTube. Okay, let's check if it exists or not. Click on next. Oh, okay. If it shows this, the username isn't allowed, it means that it's taken already. Okay, let's write another one. Let's say Ibra for YouTube or YT, and click on next for YouTube like this, and click next. Just keep trying till you find a unique name that is working with you. And in here you're gonna write your password. I'm gonna write my password, and after you write a password, a great password using capital letters, numbers, symbols, and click on next. You have to remember this password because you will need it to sign in again and again on other devices. Only when you format your device, you have to remember it. As you can see, if it's required for you to enter a mobile phone, and it's really recommended to you to put your number in here, so you can save it and you can recover your Gmail account using that number. But in my case, it's just a testing account, so I will not use my phone. I will just click on skip. But for you, in your case, you have to use your mobile number. And click on next, and then scroll down, agree, and then I will disable this one. I don't want to make backups for my data, and then accept. And as you can see right now, we finished. Just go back to your account and it will appear in here. Just click on take me to Gmail. As you can see, we have created our Gmail on our phone. Just go back right now to Google Play or Play Store, click on it, and it's gonna show up this terms of service. Click on accept. And right now, as you can see, it's opened. I can use right now Google Play to install any application or game I want on my phone. And this is my account on it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you really like this video. And subscribe to our channel to get just new tutorials just like this. And see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.